So the night before my mother buy some cheese patty. I know say a beef. And a cheese patty. So I go up on the yard now, I get a cheese patty, I'm going to come down there near to the cow pen, and I squeeze all the beef. And I say, oh, cow, and she say, your family this. And I squeeze all the beef, I'm going to chew it on the curtain and kick you, and I kick your mother. Cow now, you know more time cow fooling them. So the cow is there, chawing grass and things. So I say, all right, you know how to know. Go up on the yard now. I get some of them big butter bean. I don't know about butter bean, but a butter bean they use for stew beef. So I get some butter bean now, and come back down. I mean, I stew on the cow with the butter bean then. Stew beef. Stew beef. Butter bean, the cow in the head and thing, and the cow. Now pay me no mind, see you with. So I say, all right, look on the cow now. Go chew the grass. I'm going to look on the cow. Then they just come in my head and say, oh, I said to the cow, you know what's the cow fool though? The cow still a child. And I look at me. And I say, yeah man, cow fool. Because in that story, hey, digger, the cat and the figure. When I say the cow jump, then the cow jump over and move. Somebody say, go. They say you can't jump over a moon, right? Then how comes you can't jump over a tree, barbed wire fence? Go, stop you. Look up on me. Look me in my face. I'm see like some other cow up on the side where you look across to. And the rest of the cow them like them and say, oh, just say that. Can't believe it, just say that. So he called us to go one step back. Just like when you see that, I can't do them, you know. I say, hey, I gotta do something. And something I gotta do now. So me step over and I pen like some big arm back. And I say, you know, I gotta do no. They step over and I pen. And the cow, I didn't one of them female cows, you see? And they have a little young. So me take up a big stone now. And I say, you come after me kill that. The cow take a step forward. Me set to fling the stone. Cow take another step. Me pellet the stone after the calf. And the cow that me see her run straight and come after me full speed. Now me take off now, you know. You know the foolishness when they tell you say if cow run you down, you have to make a corner quick. No go so. You try that. Make a corner and cow that still. Come off from the same way, so I'm skate over the fence now. A big pear tree there, you know. A big pear tree there, I'm happy. I go way up in the top of a pear tree. I don't know something that I climb on pear trees so fast. I want to tell you something for way up in the top of a pear tree. The pear tree, and the cow that don't have root in the tree. I scrape it with him hard. Scrape it for half hour. I scrape. So now I say, alright, I can stay there. So up in that tree now, I mean, drop asleep in that tree. When we look down, you know, cow gone. So we come down with that tree. When we turn around and look on the tree now, we see cow was here. If we catch you again, you get buck. I think I figured out the point when they start being in school, like when they start put like letters in a maths. I know so when they are little school, right? 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 2? 4 minus 6? Nobody don't know that. Anyways, when they start putting letters in a maths, that just start when they hate school. When they start telling you how to do things like, you must cite sources. Now people would have put them with citing sources there. If you could have just said, yo, a John says so. According to so and so and blah, yo, a John did say so. And said, write this, and this one say, I'm going to put it back right this up and look at here. The more you put it in a certain format, you have to have the name, year, the time, who, page number, who, what do you think the name, who way. I can't deal with that. I don't want them things there. I just want to say, yo, all right. Women are naturally angrier than men when they are going through that time of the month. According to so and so, Blurry boom boom, yo, this is what I say. I even say, China, what's that say? And we have to put that in our book. Like, I can't take the whole citing of sources. I hate when we go to class and the tutor, you know what I mean? And you know they're supposed to teach. And I like when we go to class and then they come in there. Anybody have the work or anything to say? No, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. We come to listen to your talk. Hey, dear. You know something like, you know? Yeah, man, you look good. And you're shaped like a Coca-Cola bottle. You're shaped like a zesty bottle. Remember zesty? Remember zesty? So that's what I said. You know that chicken smells so sweet. Like the chicken smell like cinnamon. A big cinnamon sitting down like sugar on the same like it out there. That's why good for your reading of people. What I'm saying, come to university for reading. You get a degree.
Where they rub our daddy?